everyone, I am Nashwa S. Abang from 3BEd and welcome to my tutorial video. So today, I'll be showing you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using a mobile phone through WPS Office application. So the goal of this tutorial video is to help students and teachers create professional slides easily, anytime and anywhere, using only their smartphone. So watch and learn. Step 1, open the WPS Office app on your phone at kung wala ay pwede kang mag-download sa Play Store. Tap the plus button and select presentation. Ayan. You can choose a template or blank slide to begin. Pero gamitin natin yung blank slide. Step 2, create your title by typing or tapping. For example, topic natin ay technology. So, step 3, to add more slides, tap the plus slide icon, choose a layout that fits your content. So, ayan. Step 4, tap the text box to insert and edit text. For example, cell phone, laptop, and computer. So, step 4, to make your slides more engaging, insert image by tapping image, picture. You can get a photo from your phone. Crop lang natin. So, cellphone. Yan. So, add lang na tayo ng picture. Crop lang natin. So, ayan. Lock lang natin para hindi masyadong malikot. So, step 5. Tap the text. Use the toolbar below to change the size. Example, size natin is 36, 22. So, font is walang available. So, pati yung color pwede din natin palitan. Step 6, add transitions and animation to make your presentation livelier. So, click lang natin ng transition. So, ayan. Ayan. Step 7, when finished, tap to save, store your presentation by documents, and then rename lang natin technology today. Ayan. So, you can also export it as PDF or present it directly from your phone, mobile phone. So, ayan na yung finish natin. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. Play lang natin. So, ayan. So, that's it. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. I hope this helps you in your future presentation and teaching activities. Always remember, technology is not just a tool. It's a bridge that connects learning to creativity. Once again, I am Nashwa S. Abang. See you next time.